All right, here's what you need to know heading into your evening. Wind chill advisory for our western counties, mainly from the Red River and points west for the overnight hours. The cold air will be coming in to our area from the west as these clouds over us now will exit the region from west to east, clearing things out and allowing some of the fresh snowflakes to go to work in cooling temperatures. Still some snow out at Hector, 16 degrees above, very mild temperature wise. Doesn't feel too bad out there. But yet another day of shoveling and sweeping, and I don't know if you are like me, but kind of tired of that activity. Now we got to brace for some cold air, and it's going to be delivered to us in part thanks to these northwest winds that are setting up across the region. Notice as we look to the northwest of Fargo, that's where temperatures are coolest. 8 Devils Lake, 7 in Langdon, 12 in Valley City. Down to the south, still warm for you in Breckenridge, Wahpeton, Sabin area, around 19 degrees there, 18 in Detroit Lakes. Not bad in Wadena with the mid-teens there. And look at Roseau and Baudette, not far from 20 degrees heading into your evening. Coldest wind chills, Devils Lake Basin. That's where the wind chill advisory is in full force. Now as we take a look at snowfall today, I'm going to back out so you can see a half-inch reported earlier today in the Grand Forks area. However, the snow has continued to fall. We'll update these at 10 o'clock. Between 1 and 2 inches reported in and around the FM area. Jamestown, one of the bigger winners today with around 3 inches. Montpelier at 2 and 1.5 out in the Ashby area for Grant County. Off to the east, right about there. There's the snow showers. They are exiting off to the east. See this clearing patch here? That's some of that cold air that's going to be punching its way into the valley. We don't see much in the way of snowflakes upstream from us, but as we look at the higher detailed radar data, we can see from basically Marshall County, Minnesota, through the northern Red River Valley and into the FM area, some very light snowflakes continue to keep our roads slippery. Give yourself extra distance. Give yourself extra time as we go through the overnight hours tonight. Towards 10 o'clock, the snow is out of here. Look at these blue arrows. Northwest winds around 15 to 25 miles per hour continue into the evening, ushering in this cold nonsense. Watch how it moves in as we go through the overnight hours. If you are tailgating, first thing in the morning, 7:30, we'll be below zero. And in Fargo, in Grand Forks, and look at this, near Rolla and the Can-Do area, we're expecting temperatures near 10 below to start your weekend, holding on to near zero temperatures to the south and southeast. Throughout the day, as I set things into motion, we'll see peaks of sun, but temperatures will hover right around that 4 or 5 below category all day until sunset, and then temperatures will start nosediving. The coldest of the air arrives on Sunday morning, and for some of us, it will be the coldest day of the season thus far, but not for all of us. Now, as we take a look, our arrows are gone, so the wind won't be as bad tomorrow afternoon, but as we head into the evening, here comes the blast of very cold air as we head into the nighttime hours. By 10 o'clock on your Saturday night, temperatures will already be in the teens below. Wind chills will be around 30 to 35 below already into the evening. So you rise and shine on your Saturday morning. Temperatures 5 below. We kind of hover around that point all afternoon long. And then we're on our way into the thermal basement as we head into Sunday morning. Your sunrise on your Saturday morning, or sunset, I should say, 4:39. Now a look at your hometown forecast. Afternoon temperatures 5 to 10 below for many in northeast North Dakota. Single digits above zero possible in parts of west central Minnesota. So for Grant County, Otter Tail County, maybe even the Devils Lake area, a chance to be just above zero for your afternoon. All right. Winter tundra, David capturing this near Kelly Slough. Certainly a cold look to it, and that's why I picked it out. That's what we're going to look like throughout the weekend. How about Fargo on Friday morning? Now 20 below. That's going to be very cold. Records for this time of the year are around 28 to 35 below across the region. So it's not likely we'll break records, but a couple of models are indicating that we could be well into the 20s below for some of us on Sunday morning. We warm up nicely on Sunday, 5 degrees, then heading into Monday. Wow, 10 whole degrees. That'll be not too bad with sunshine. Not a lot of snow in the forecast for next week, Andrea, but we do have, a chance to see 20-degree weather late in the week as it looks like a nice little warm burp of air heading our way. We'll take it after what we've been through.
We will, and I think I heard you say the wind will die down one of those days, so
yes.
There's that.
Yes. Saturday will be pretty breezy from the northwest, but by Sunday, when the coldest of the air arrives, it won't be as windy.
Okay, there you go, right? The small things.
Got to take the small things, yes.
Thanks, Sudge.
You bet.